Alright guys, so in my last video you saw that I replaced the parts that adjust the camber. On this episode, or this on this video, I plan on replacing these tie rod bars in the steering link and get everything tightened up and ship shape. And hopefully in this box right here I have some new parts, and hopefully everything that I ordered came in so I can get this done. Most of these parts are Moog parts. That's the brand name anyway. Start off with a couple of basic tools here. You need a hammer to knock the joints loose. Some wrenches. First thing I'm going to do is take the cotter pins out. You see these especially steering joints, and it's kind of loose, really loose. Pull the cotter pins out. Match up my new parts. So, I'm gonna line it up now. Got all the parts installed. Everything's, ignore the screwdriver, so I'm adjusting it. But yeah, got it all installed, all the new parts. And I'm gonna move on to aligning it. So, even though my tires are a little big for this, I think I can get enough of it to be able to measure it to set the toe. I really need somebody here to help me do this.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.